Today in this video I show you how to turn on text to speech read aloud on Android or Samsung. For this you have to open Google Play Store. Now click on search icon, tap on search bar and search Accessibility Suite. Open Android Accessibility Suite, click on install. Now after installing the app, you have to go back, open settings app. Now scroll down to find accessibility. Open accessibility, click on installed apps and then click on select to speak. Now turn on this select to speak shortcut toggle, click on allow. Now if you want to change your text to speech language, then click on settings, and if you want to keep the system language, then click on OK. Now you can see this icon. By this you can enable text to speech. If you want another shortcut to enable text to speech, then open select to speak shortcut and select between these two options, in which first is press side and volume up buttons and second is press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. After selecting, go back. Now click on this accessibility icon and select text like this.
Tap specific items on your screen to hear them read.
Your text to speech will work like this. You can pause or start playing text to speech by this icon, and if you want to stop this, then click on this icon. Now if you want to make your text to speech work in background, then click on this icon. Now click on settings icon, turn on read in background toggle. If you want this feature to read text on images, then turn on this toggle. Now you can also check out text to speech settings and change the preferred engine for text to speech. Select between Samsung and Google. If you want to change language of text to speech, then go back and click on language. Now in Samsung engine, you will get a limited amount of language to select from, but if you go back and change preferred engine to Google, then you will get all the languages Google have. Now if you want to change reading voice, then go back, open change reading voice. Select this according to your choice and then click on done and click on this accessibility icon. Now select text like this. You can see text to speech is started, and I can also go back and forward without interrupting text to speech. So this is how you can turn on text to speech read aloud on Android or Samsung. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.